Hello, my name is Peter and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I want to show you how to make this 3D origami small swan. It is a very beautiful and easy model. And this model is made from small 3D origami pieces, and those pieces are made from this rectangle of paper. You will obtain 64 pieces like this from an A4 format piece of paper. It is normal printed paper, 80 grams per square meter, 3.6 by 2.6 centimeters. And now I will make very quickly a 3D origami piece. If you are a beginner, I recommend you to look in the description of the video. There you will find several videos, and I recommend you to watch especially the video for the beginners. You will find there information about 3D origami paper, how to make 3D origami pieces, and a lot of tips and tricks, and the way I work, and it, it will help you if you watch that video. You can see there is a difference between these two pieces, and I use 5 or 6 pieces connected together in a row. I put the edges, these two are the edges. This kind of information you will find in the link in the description. I put in the pockets, push, and then with my finger or with a pen I give a very nice round shape. I recommend you all to learn to make pieces like this. It is very easy to work with them, and the model will look very beautiful. And this kind of pieces has huge advantages. You can make pieces almost equal, on the same size, and it is very nice. Let's start this model. We connect pieces until we have 15 pieces in the first row, 14 in the second, and 13 pieces in the third. And we put an inverted row here. The round part of the piece is on the other side. only 8, we need 7 more in the first row. Twelve, 3 pieces more. Now we finish. We have 15 pieces in the first row, 14 in the second, and 13 pieces in the third, and also we have 14 inverted pieces here. Now we close the circle like this, we push a little bit, and now we complete the second row with 1 piece and the third row with 2 pieces like this, and then we push and the last inverted piece. And now we finish. We finish the base. I call this 3D origami closed base because of this row here. It is very nice to start like this. The model will be very stable and resistant. Now we put another normal row, 15 pieces like this. Next we make the chest. We put 4 pieces like this. Now 3 pieces above. 2 and then 1. And now we put inverted pieces. The round part of the piece is inside. It's here. put another row, we let one edge free and we repeat. Now we put another row, inverted row. Each row will have one piece less. Next row. Now we have only 3 pieces, then 2 and 1. Now we put a normal row to cover the entire tail. And we start from here, from these 2 edges. One from this normal piece and another one here. Sorry. And now we go up the tail like this. Now we start from the other side. And go again on the tail. and the last one like this. And we have a very nice pattern here. Our swan is almost finished. Next we make the neck, and for the neck we glue together 16 pieces like this. And now the model is almost finished. Next we put one black piece here, and this is a very small piece. You will obtain 128 pieces like this, and this will be the peak of our swan. And the model is finished. I glue all parts together, and it is a very small model, and probably it is the smallest and the most beautiful model you can make, and it is easy to make. If you like my tutorials, please subscribe, rate, make comments, and share my videos. This is all for today. Have a nice day.